Can you really make $5,000 every single month on the Cameo app? The short answer is yes, but only if you understand how it actually works. Most people think Cameo is just celebrities charging fans for shoutouts, but here's the fine print. Regular creators can earn too if they build a niche audience that values personal interactions. Now, before we talk money, let's talk setup. Getting started on Cameo is simple, but the way you set it up matters. Step 1. Create your profile with a clear photo and a bio that instantly tells people who you are and why they should book you. Step 2. Set your price realistically. Too high and no one buys, too low and you undervalue yourself. Step 3. Record a short sample video. This shows buyers your style, your energy, and what they can expect. Step 4. Promote your Cameo link everywhere. Your social media, your YouTube, even in your email signature. The easier it is to find you, the faster the requests come in. So let's be clear. If you don't already have a loyal audience, Cameo won't magically hand you money. This is not a lottery, it's a strategy. Creators who win on Cameo treat it like a business, price their services smartly, and push their profile everywhere their fans are. Do that, and $5,000 a month isn't just possible, it's predictable. Ignore that, and you'll be stuck making spare change. So, do you believe you could apply this strategy yourself, or do you think it's only for influencers? Share your take in the comments. And hit subscribe to the Million Dollar Success Fineprints so you never miss the next fine print. Watch this next cool video to get a sharpened success mindset.